I would say the number one thing that I love the most about Furman is definitely the people. Everyone here really is so friendly and welcoming. There's like Southern hospitality and then there's Furman hospitality.
You just connect with people on such a deeper level, and you know that you have such a sweet, supporting family here that like loves and supports you no matter what.
You can't really be anonymous at Furman. People care about you.
Not too big, somewhere where I can kind of, thrive and things like that. So I really just got good vibes as soon as I kind of came on campus for the first time.
So living on campus all 4 years really just helps you stay connected as a community.
This is really cool to me just because even as a freshman, you have the opportunity to hang out with juniors and seniors. And now as a junior myself, I have the opportunity to get to know freshmen and sophomores.
It's a really beautiful campus. It feels special when you come onto that first roundabout.
People always are really amazed when they come to our campus. I know even when it's raining here, it's absolutely beautiful.
Lots of natural beauty, lots of green, lots of plants.
So many fountains.
Winter, summer, it really is always gorgeous here.
So it was a total shock to me that grass could be green during the wintertime.
The connection you form between professors is unreal.
Our professors do a great job of giving us the resources that we need to succeed.
While we do have pretty rigorous academics, the mentality in the student body is very all for one.
There's such like a deep relationship like with professors because like it is a smaller campus, so you get to know them more on a personal level, and they just like really want to support you and help you.
And there's the guaranteed access to high impact experiences such as study abroad, internships, and research. I would definitely say that my experiences here at Furman have prepared me for grad school and eventually life after grad school as well.
Furman's kind of in the perfect spot because you have downtown Greenville, which is like 15 minutes away, and there's so many different great restaurants and places down there to explore. We also have Travelers Rest, which is like 5 or 10 minutes away, and we have Asheville, which is like an hour drive, and a ton of people will take day trips up there.
One of the coolest things about Furman is you really don't need a car. We have the Swamp Rabbit Trail, and you can bike or run or walk to downtown Greenville, and it's only 6 miles away.
One of my favorite things is driving up to the Blue Ridge Parkway.
I really enjoy how close we are to cities of nature.
Not only is the campus so beautiful, it really provides you with so many opportunities to just get outside and stay active. You'll always see people biking around the lake, walking their dogs around the lake.
With Furman having 155 plus student-led organizations, there's no shortage of people that you can meet. I am involved in more than I can count.
So we have pre-professional tracks and clubs and institutes that'll help support you in your career goals, but we also have a lot of fun social clubs. Like we have a culinary club, so I'm learning how to make a souffle, which I'm not good at. That's a lot of fun.
There are just a ton of different events that go on all around campus throughout the entire year though.
There's something in student life that fits everyone's wants and needs. I tell everybody who's going through the college search process to find a school where they feel like they can grow as a person.
One of the biggest selling points about Furman was it was a total package.
Furman really has everything to offer. Has all the resources of a larger university and so much more accessible given our student population.
So I think it's a good campus to be able to be yourself as well as be able to be a part of a family.